How to refund a Roblox Game Pass. Updated guide. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund for a Roblox Game Pass. First, open the Roblox website. In the address bar, replace /home with /support, then press enter. This will take you to the Roblox Contact Us page. Enter your email address in the first field, then type it again in the confirmation field. Next, select the device you use to play Roblox. For example, if you play on a computer, choose PC. Under Type of Help, select Billing and Payments. Then, for the Help subcategory, choose Report an unauthorized charge or request a refund. In the description box, you can write something like this. Hi, I accidentally purchased a Game Pass called Game Pass name. I did not intend to buy it and I have not used it. Could I please receive a refund? Thank you very much. Replace a Game Pass name with the actual name of the Game Pass you purchased. After filling in all the required information, click Continue to submit your request. If Roblox support determines that your purchase is eligible for a refund, they'll contact you by email. In many cases, your chances are better if the Game Pass hasn't been used, although refunds are not guaranteed and are decided by Roblox support. That's it. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.